Hello everybody, welcome back once again to a new video. In this video, I will discuss about NISCARE resources. As I have already discussed about NISCARE, what is NISCARE, what are the programs NISCARE is offering, and the resources. This video is continuation of earlier video, so I will highly recommend you to watch the previous video on NISCARE, whose description will be given below. Just follow the link and watch the video, then come back again to this video. So let me start the video and discuss about the resources of NISCARE. So these are the resources of NISCARE, which you can see here. These are National Online Periodical Repository, NOGATE, National Knowledge Resources Consortium, National Science Digital Library, in-house databases, National Science Library, electronic resources. So these are the resources of NISCARE, which we have already discussed about the theoretical aspects in the previous video. So under electronic resources, there are three types. One is user consortia, online databases, and serial databases. So let us go to the NISCARE's website and access all these resources of NISCARE one by one, and let us see how to collect information from these resources. So as I have already discussed about the NISCARE's website, that is www.niscair.res.in. So this is the website address of NISCARE. We have to enter this address. After entering this address, the website of NISCARE will open up. So to access the resources of NISCARE, we have to come to this part where it is resources. You can see all the resources are given here. There is NOPR, National Online Periodical Repository, National Knowledge Resources Consortium, and those things. I'll go to the NISCARE resources one by one. The first one is National Online Periodical Repository. To access the National Online Periodical Repository, we have to click here. After clicking here, it will open a new page where you can see it's a page of National Online Periodical Repository. So as I have discussed already, that National Online Periodical Repository, it publishes the full text articles mainly published by CSIR and NISCARE. So these are the examples of some periodicals. To access these periodicals, we have to click here, click for more information. It is a hyperlink, National Online Periodical Repository. So to click here, after clicking here, it will open one more page where you can access the journals. So these are the examples of journals which are under National Online Periodical Repository. For example, we take ALIS. ALIS is Annals of Library and Information Studies. To access this one, we have to click on ALIS. It will open up the page of Annals of Library and Information Studies. All the publications of this journal are arranged in year wise from 1954 to 2019. So let us, for example, let us go to 2019. If you go to 2019, you have to click here. After clicking here, it will take us to the page where you can access the articles published in 2019. So it is mainly published quarterly, so that's why there are 4 issues here. For example, if you want to access the article of March 2019, you have to click. Then, so these are the articles published in March 2019. Suppose if you want to download the article, you have to click in the title. It will open one more page. So in the page, if you come down, you can see here open or view. You have to click here, then it will open the article. So this is the article published in March 2019. So you can access the article from the browser as well as you can download it from here by clicking here. So likewise, If you want to access more journals, so again you have to go back. So suppose AIR, Applied Innovative Research, so you have to go same process. So this is the journal published in 2019. You have to come down. The latest one is September December 2019. If you click here, again by going to same process, it will open up the articles. Click in the hyperlink of the article. Then again you can download here or you can view it. The next resource of NISCARE is NKRC, that is National Knowledge Resource Consortium. NKRC is network of library and information centers of 43 CSIR and DST institutes. I would also like to inform you that the resources of NKRC can be only accessed from its campus. Suppose you were already in the campus of CSIR and DST institutes, so to access the information you have to click to NKRC, that is Knowledge Resource Consortium, and it will open a new page as we have done in NOPR. In the same way you have to click here. Here you will get the publishers under NKRC. So to access the information you can click in any publisher from here, or else you can go to the institute access details. Here you will get three options: by publisher, by lab, by journal. You can select any one or you can select all, so that you can get more specific information. We are back again in the home page, and let us discuss about the next resource of NISCARE, that is National Science Digital Library, NSDL is a short form. If you want to access the National Science Digital Library, you have to access it from the campus, otherwise it will not allow you to go through. Suppose if I click here, then it will take you to the page of National Science Digital Library, but if you click in the link, it will never open. Next one is National Science Library. So to access the National Science Library you have to click here and it will take you to the National Science Library page. So for more information you have to click here and it will open up the page of National Science Library. So this is the page of National Science Library. So in this page you can see about the National Science Library, the introduction, the team, mission, vision, library hour, floor plan, how to reach, the services, the collection, NKRC also you can access from here, ISSN, feedback, contact us. In services I want to show you that there are mainly two types of services. One is the general services which normally the library provides, that is reference service, photocopying service, interlibrary loan, literature search, online public access catalog, membership. But in specialized service it provides special services like ISSN, bibliometric services, working user facility, CAP. ISSN is a special service provided by the National Science Library. The full form is International Standard Serial Number. So in India, National Science Library is only the ISSN provider. The meaning of ISSN is that it is a number, a serial number given to a journal. If you want to publish a new journal, then you have to get a ISSN number. So in some future video I will discuss about ISSN in details. Now let us discuss about our next service of National Science Library. It is bibliometric service. It provides the bibliometric services on demand. It pays a certain amount of money. The charges may be applied to obtain this service. Next service is working user facility. The research scholar, the scientist can work into the library and they can access to the full text journals, and this service is free of charge. Specialized services of National Science Library is CAPS. The full form of CAPS is Contents, Abstracts and Photocopying Service. So it is a very personalized service. The subscriber will receive journals at his doorsteps and it is free of cost. The next resource of NISCARE is National Union Catalog. But to access the National Union Catalog, you have to access it from the campus, like the National Science Digital Library and all. So if you click here, so it will not allow you to go through, but if you are only in the campus, then only you can access this resource. Next one is Knowgate. as I have already discussed in my earlier video about Knowgate, that it is a project of CSIR NISCARE laboratories. So to access this Knowgate, you have to click here and it will take you to the Knowgate page, and you can find the information of Knowgate from here. If you want to know about Knowgate, CSIR Union catalog, technical documents, forms and photo gallery, all these things you can find here at Knowgate. Next resource of NISCARE is databases. That is the in-house databases. NISCARE also provides information in databases. Some example databases are National Union Catalog of Scientific Serials in India, National Patents Database, Medicinal and Automatic Plant Abstracts, and Indian Science Abstract. So to access the databases, again you have to access it from your campus, otherwise you will not go through the databases. Last but not the least resources of NISCARE is electronic resources. And electronic resources are mainly categorized in three categories. One is the online databases, the CD-ROM databases, e-journal consortia. The online databases, you can access the databases of Web of Science, Journal of Citation Reports, Essential Science Indicators, Library Information and Abstracts, that is LISA, and the others. Next one is the CD-ROM databases. Falling under CD-ROM databases, let us see. So these are the CD-ROM databases, but to access the databases you have to visit the library personally so that you can access the databases. Next one is the e-journal consortia. So e-journal consortia is accessed through the NKR, National Knowledge Resource Consortia. So again you have to access it through the campus, then only you can access the e-journal consortia. So that was the video. I hope this video will not only help the students and scholars of library and information science, but I also hope it will help the science and technology professionals and also the librarians to help the users of science and technology background to find their information. In the next video, I will discuss about the DesiDoc publication and the training. So stay tuned for the next video. Please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out anything. And please give me your feedback in comments so that it keeps me motivated.